Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle, a binary puzzle in Japanese, Taguzu. In the edition of today's newspaper on Monday, August the 28th, 2023, almost end of the month. I've already solved two puzzles, the 3 stars and the 4 stars Sudoku. Two puzzles are left. The Jigsaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic, and the binary, yes, the binary puzzle number 7,000, 7,000, yes. Well, it's a milestone again. 7,000. And this one, before I start, I always count the printed digits, 18 printed digits. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 O's and 4 ones. Alright, so let's get started. Double, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Between two O's comes in 1. Between two O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. So the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Then 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Let me think. Well, we have here 3 O's. If I place number 4 there, then we have 3 ones in a row in this column. Not allow one of the rules, so this can be no. Oh, can it be a no? This should be a 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Then double one, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. 4 O's we have here in the second column, so the rest are ones. We have here 3 ones. If I place number 4 there, then we have 4 O's in a row in this third row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be 1. This should be no. Between 2 ones comes a no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. And 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Finish in 3 minutes. Well, we solved it again. And I like this one, yes I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you in a minute with the last puzzle, the Jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye for now.